Hi friends, this video is from ATP.com. In the previous video I was talking about what is handler mapping in Spring MVC tutorial. In this video I'm going to talk about what is view resolver and what is the responsibility it has. What is view resolver in Spring MVC? View resolvers are usually provided by all MVC framework, and Spring MVC also provides these view resolvers, so that the models can be rendered in a browser. So you prepare the model objects in the controller and it has to be rendered in the browser without tying to any specific view technologies. So I don't want to couple with any view technologies, so that's why I have in the Spring they have provided view resolvers. Spring MVC provides a view resolver interface that maps view names to the actual views. I'll show you the code and then I'll explain you. So when a model view instance is returned by the controller, the view resolver will resolve the view according to the view name. Let's see the picture. So the dispatcher servlet call the controller, and controller call the service layer and prepare the model data, and control also prepare an object called model view. It contains both model data and the view that has to be rendered. So we are going to get the model and view, and we are going to give the view name to the view resolver. View resolver is nothing but a class which is going to take the view name and it's going to prepare the view in the browser. I'll show you in the code. In the hotel demo application, I'm using a view resolver which is called as URL based view resolver, which is from the Spring framework. If you see here, URL based view resolver, it's coming from the Spring framework. What it's going to do is it will take the view name that is prepared in the controller. We are preparing model and view object, and in this object we are giving the view name as a string. So this view resolver will take this view as it is, and it will add the prefix and suffix, and it will prepare the view. So this is the responsibility of the view resolver. There are multiple you can configure multiple view resolver in Spring framework, but you have to give the property called order. What is the order that you want to handle the responsibility to these view resolvers? Here in this configuration I have configured two view resolvers: internal resource view resolver and URL based view resolver. And there are different types of view resolver available: internal resource view resolver, XML view resolver, resource bundle view resolver, URL based view resolver, and velocity view resolver. So this is a brief about what is view resolver in Spring MVC. In the next video I'll be talking about what is servlet mapping. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.